Okay, in this video I'm looking at how to solve by factorising a quadratic. So we've got a quadratic here. Our a value is not equal to 1, so it is our one where we have to do a few steps here. Firstly, we always write our a, b and c. So our a is 2, our b is 5 and our c is 3. Then we're going to write our AC is equal to 6 because that's 2 times 3 and our b is equal to 5. So we're looking for two numbers that will multiply to give 6 but add to give 5. So we know that that's going to be 2 and 3. So then we're going to go back to our original equation, and instead of writing 5x, we're going to write 2x plus 3x, or we could write 3x plus 2x. It doesn't matter which order we do them in. Then we're going to do our factorising here where we look at the first two terms. So our common factor of those is 2x, and that leaves us with x plus 1 in the bracket. And then here we can take out a 3 and we're left with x plus 1 in the bracket. We know we're on the right track when we get the same thing in the brackets, so that can then come out to the front and the remainder goes in the other bracket, so that 2x plus 3 equals 0. Now that's the factorising part. Then we're going to use our solving. Now we use our solving using the null factor law. So if we're getting a 0 here when two things are multiplied, either the first bracket has to equal 0 or the second bracket has to equal 0, because we need one of them to be equal to 0 so that when we multiply we'll get an answer of 0. So we can say that x plus 1 equals 0 or 2x plus 3 equals 0. So then we can say that x is equal to -1 or 2x is equal to -3, x is equal to -3 on 2, or -1.5. So they're our two answers for x. Now if we were graphing this and we had a y equals, we could then go back and we could find the y-intercept and we could then graph that on our, do a sketch of that quadratic. This question just wanted solving, so we've solved that question there for what x is equal to.